Hey guys, welcome to Fusion Studios again, and today we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S21 pre-booking offer. The S21 comes in two different colors, the Phantom Black and Phantom Silver. This comes in two variants, the 12GB to 56GB internal and the 16GB RAM and the 512GB internal. And it comes with the price tag of 1,06,000 and 1,17,000 respectively. And for the first time, Samsung is giving the Samsung Galaxy tag for free in this offer bundle, and is also giving gift vouchers of 10,000 to 23,000 rupees. And for the first time, the Samsung Galaxy users who actually pre-booked this deal could not get the Samsung Galaxy Watch because of the shortage and the stock issues. So this is happening first time for such a big company like Samsung. I'll come to this more later in this video. Now coming to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, we can see that there is a thin layer of screen protector which is pre-applied. That's something new for the Samsung phones. The older generation never used to get the screen protector. And if you haven't noticed, this is the Spigen case which we have applied on this phone, and it gives good protection to the front and side, and the back color blends with the Phantom Black edition of this phone. And the back is also very smooth and does not attract any fingerprints. And if you want to buy this case, the link will be given in the description. So this is Spigen's thin fit Armour case, and we noticed that the wireless charging works perfectly and there is no issues when we tested. And the price of this is about 2,000 rupees, but we can get it for 1,500 rupees in Amazon. And another fact is that the more costly the phone is, the more pricier the accessories will become. And as you know, the S21 does not come with the charging adapter, so I'm using the previous adapter from the Samsung Galaxy S8, and this is a 15-watt adapter, and it also supports fast charging on the S21. And the wire I'm using is from a company called as Wyona, which I bought from Amazon, and I have been using this for almost 1 year and there seems to be no problem. So this is it's a braided cable and it lasts longer. And if you want to buy this, the link will be there in the description below. And as you know, the trend continues, and Samsung Galaxy S21 does not come with the headphone jack. So we have been using the Bluetooth headset, and the one we've been using is the Bolt Audio Earbuds Earbuds, and this is a pretty good earbuds for under the price of 2,000 rupees. And we have done the review and posted this in our channel. Please check it out. So many of you may not know how to do this pre-booking deal and how to apply and redeem this offer. So I will show you how to do this. So if we look inside the menu, there will be an app called as Samsung Shop. So we need to take that app, and inside that we have this For You section. Inside that we can see this banner for redeeming the offer for the Samsung Galaxy S21. So to be eligible for this offer, there are some conditions. Number 1, you need to insert the SIM from which you pre-ordered. And number 2, you need to keep this for 72 hours, which is approximately 3 days, to be eligible for this offer. Now after this step, you can see this See if I'm eligible option. You have to click on that, and after that it will ask you the IMEI number which you can get from the settings. And after you given that, it will give you an OTP to the registered phone number. And after doing that, you can see this I am eligible option changing to redeem. And inside that we can redeem the various offers for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Now for those who do not know how to get the IMEI number, I'll show you the steps. You need to go to settings and go to the about phone option. Now inside that we can see the IMEI number 1 and 2. We need the number 1. So just press and hold the on top of the number and it will be automatically copied, and then we can continue with the process. Now let me get back to the Samsung Galaxy pre-order issue which I said before. The main issue is that the Samsung Galaxy S21 pre-ordered users could not get the Samsung Galaxy Active Watch because it was out of stock for about 2 months. This has happened to some of the customers who have pre-ordered on January and the other customers who have ordered on February and March. Also, the Samsung customer service was very bad over here because when we contacted them on the toll-free number, they do not know anything about this offer, and also when we emailed them, they just gave a random date and it was not very useful for the customers. So as a conclusion, Samsung being a big player in the smartphone industry, they should have given a better pre-order experience for the customers by keeping the products in stock. Now continuing the video, many customers did not know exactly what kind of specification they were getting with the Samsung Active Watch. Now we'll check out the watch. So the model we are getting is the Samsung Galaxy Active2 Bluetooth version, and this has an aluminium body and has a dial size of 44 mm. The watch comes in 3 colors: aqua black, cloud silver and rose gold. The MRP of the watch is 23,000 rupees, but for this offer and this pre-order deal we get it for 990 rupees. The watch is a very sleek design, and even for a person as slim as me, it fits perfectly without being bulky. I'll show you by wearing it. And as you can see, the watch fits perfectly and has a premium feel to it. Now this is the Samsung Smart Tag. This comes with a price tag of 2,800 rupees, but we get it free with the Samsung pre-order deal. This comes with a replaceable battery which can be replaced by opening like this. On the back we have the Samsung logo, and in the front we have the Samsung tag, which is a pressable button. Also, one thing we forgot to mention is that the phone is quite heavy and weighs in about 200 grams. So to activate this, we need to press the button over here until we hear a noise. After that, we need to take this SmartThings app, and inside that I've already connected this app and this tag. I'll show you the features now. So we have an update in this. After the update, we'll show you the features. So first we have the view map option. Inside this they'll ask you the location permission. We give the permission, and then we have 3 options: search, nearby, navigation and ring. So first we have this ring option, and this feature is for finding the smart tag. So if we click on this option, the smart tag will start making a sound and we can locate the tag. We can also adjust the volume in the phone. The next option is navigate. By clicking this option, we can find the direction towards the smart tag. And this is the search nearby option, and this pulls up our tracking meter, and this shows us how close you are to the tag. Now this is the category option, and it shows onto what the tag is attached to. So even though it has a single button, it has 2 functions: press and held. So we can control this in many situations. For example, if you want to turn on a bulb, you can either press on the button or either hold the button for a certain time to turn it on or off. This works on all the devices which we add onto the SmartThings app. Then we have the volume settings. We can turn it to low or high. Then we have different ringtones which we can select. Then we have the battery status, which shows the condition of the battery. So that is everything about the pre-order deal. If you found this video informative, give us a like and share this to your friends. Also, if you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Click on subscribe and the bell button to get our latest update.